Welcome to the MLTI Slam Show. I'm Jared, and today is Thursday, May 12th. In the MLTI Slam Show, we learn from students just like you from all over Maine. And we'll begin today by following along with Owen Snowman from Nokomis, who will teach us about Jamboard, an online whiteboard tool. Then viewers can take the Slam exam, a chance to win prizes by answering questions about today's show. Then we're going to wrap up the show with the website of the week, Quizlet.com, a flashcard creator and viewer. Now, a quick reminder about the MLTI Student Conference on Thursday, May 26th. There's going to be a full day of presentations for students just like you. So for more information on that, please visit www.mlti.me. Now, please mute your mic. And if you have questions, enter them in the chat so Kyle, our moderator, can respond during the show. And remember, your account is connected to everything you type, so be kind and have fun. All right, welcome, Owen. Glad you could join us. What do you have to share with us today?
Today I'm going to show you Jamboard. Let me just present my screen real quick. So Jamboard is this online whiteboard that you can collaborate in real time. So let's say you have another person connected to this Jamboard. They'll see you make an edit in real time. So let's start by changing the title. I'm going to change it to My Jam. Now I'm going to change the background. So here you can change it to dots, you can change it to a blackboard, or you can even change it to anything from Google. So let's look up cat wallpaper. And then you have a wallpaper to do anything on. For my example, I'm going to use dots. I'm going to show you how to, or what you can use the pen for. There's multiple options. You can use a marker, highlighter, a brush. So here's the pen. Brush. Highlighter. Then this. And then right here, if you mess up, you can use the eraser to delete it. And then here you can just click around if you have anything to move. And then we have the sticky note. You can just write anything you want, like Owen, and then you can move it around with the mouse. You can also spin it, you can resize it, you can edit it, change the color, or change anything here, but I'm going to stick with basic yellow. Here, you can have a random image. So let's say I want an image of Sam. Let's choose this one. Then you have a picture of Jam. So let's say you want to put a random shape. You can go from circles to arrows. I'm going to use a square. I'm going to put a square right here. So let's say I want to put this on top of that. As you can see, it goes behind it. So if you want to have like a frame type thing, you can click these three little dots or right click, go to order, and then send it backward. And then there you go. You have this now. And then you have a text box, which you can type anything here. And you can do the same thing as a sticky note. You can flip it. You can resize it. So let's write here, Slam Jam, or that's Lamb Jam. We'll stick with Lamb Jam. Here you can change the color to anything you would like, and here you can put it into the center, put it right. I'm going to put it in the center, and if you want, you can do that, and then it will go to the center. So I'm gonna now show you how to get like a new slide. If you want a new slide, you can go click this arrow right here, and it will bring you up to a brand new slide. You can do whatever you want on it, and it will save, and it will not affect this at all. If you want to view all your slides at once, you have to click this right here, and then all your slides will pop up. So now I'm going to show you how to save your slide. Go to these three dots right next to the share button, and then you can download it as PDF or save frame as image. And that is how you use Jamboard.
All right, sorry about that little delay. There's some technical difficulties, but if you do find the presentation difficult to follow, remember you can always access these recordings at www.mlti.me to play, pause, and rewind. Now we're going to check in with Kyle. Are there any questions in the chat? So we do have one question. How do you change the background of a Jamboard? So Owen, could you take that question?
So how you change the background is you go to set background right here, and then you can change it to blue lines, you can change it to a black screen, or again, if you go over to this little white with a picture here, you can change it to whatever you want. So let's say you want a white cat looking at a bird. And now you have a white cat looking at a bird.
All right, and thank you for coming on the show and teaching us about Jamboard, Owen. Now, Slammers, get ready to click the link in the chat to take the SLAM exam, a one-question quiz about today's show topic. You're going to have until next episode to answer the question and be entered in the prize drawing. Only your first entry will count, and the others will be removed. Then we'll announce the winner in the next episode. That way, everyone has a chance to take the SLAM exam, even if you're not able to join us live. Now, I'm going to give you a code for you to type in so everyone has the same amount of time. And the SLAM exam question from last episode was, what do you call a set of text with a particular shape and size? Is it format, freestyle, or font? And the winner is HC from rsu19.net. So congratulations on that. The SLAM team is going to reach out to you to get that prize to you. So be sure to be checking your email. Now, before we ask this week's SLAM exam question, let's check out the website of the week.
Hi, my name is Abby Karen, and I am going to be showing you how to use Quizlet. So I love Quizlet. I take a class called AP Human Geography, and this class is very hard and takes a lot of studying. So I use Quizlet to help me study. We're going to go to Quizlet.com, not Quizlet Live, Quizlet.com. Once we get here, we're going to go Create, and we're going to create a study set because we're studying our vocabulary words. Once this loads, you're going to make sure you have your vocabulary tab open. So these are all my vocab words that I have to do. Now, obviously, I'm not going to put all of those in this video. So we're going to enter our course name, AP Human Geo is what I call it. AP Human Geo. Okay, it knows I go to Nokomis Regional High, and my course is AP Human Geography. I'm going to scroll down. I can enter all these term words. I can enter as many as I want. I'm only going to enter 3. So here I'm going to copy and paste agribusiness in there. Central C, Central V. Okay, you can go ahead and type it in if it makes you feel better. I think it's just easier to copy and paste. As you can see, Quizlet is going to come up with 3 definitions. You're going to want to make sure these 3 definitions are solid, they're right, and they're what you're looking for. Okay, so I like the looks of this one. I'm going to read it over, make sure it looks good. And for AP Human Geography, it's nice to add an image. When studying things, if you're a visual learner, it's nice to add pictures. So I'm going to pick a picture, and I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to do the same thing for the next 2 words. I'm going to copy. I'm going to paste. Now, for AP Human Geography, it's a very difficult class, and you're going to need to know a variety of things. I'm maybe going to want a more complicated definition that I understand than just one simple word. I picked this one. Now I'm going to add an image. And when I think of agriculture, I think of farming and I think of tractors. That's why I'm going to add a picture of the tractors. The next word I'm going to do is wet rice because I'm not really sure what wet rice is, so I know that I need to study wet rice more. The definition, okay, and an image to help me study. So now that I've created my study set, I'm going to hit create. It's over here. It's going to save, and then it's going to ask me if I want to send it anywhere. If you'd like to send it somewhere, you're more than welcome to, but right now I'm hitting the X. These are my flashcards. Agribusiness. I think it means, and then I'm going to say it to myself or say it out loud, whoever I'm studying with. Then all I'm going to do is click my left mouse, and it's going to turn over with my picture and my definition. I can do this for all 3 vocabulary words. To help me study, there's flashcards, there's a different way of learning, there's writing, spelling, and a test version. But to get me interested and to really wanting to learn these words, there's games. We can play match or we can play gravity. I'm going to show you match. Basically, it's going to put all my definitions and it's going to put all my words in there, and I'm going to have to match them as quick as I can. This is loading. So I'm trying to make everything disappear as fast as I can. And here the pictures are helping me because I remember what pictures mean what words. I'll show you the gravity. The games are very cool and very fun to play with. They help you learn just to get your mind moving and your mind thinking. If this will load, we'll play gravity. Basically, the object of this game is the asteroid is going to come with the word. I'm going to do easy. And I'm going to start this agribusiness. And then I'm supposed to type my definition. So definitely for this, you can see that agribusiness, like doing this, would be really, doing the gravity game would be really hard for long definition words. It would want me to type all of that. And that's really difficult for long definition words, but definitely if you are learning a different language, gravity is a great game to play. Hopefully, now you know how to use Quizlet and you're a pro. Thank you for watching.
All right, thanks for the information about that website, Abby. So now let's get ready for the SLAM exam. Our moderator is going to put the link in the chat, or if you're not watching this live, you can visit mlti.me and click the SLAM exam link at the top to enter your answer. Remember, you can only enter once anytime before next week's show. Now, the passcode for this episode is 837. The SLAM exam question is, what type of files can you download a Jamboard? Is it PDF and PNG, PDF and JPG, or PDF and XYZ? So we'll announce the winner randomly selected from all correct answers next episode, and good luck. So thanks everyone for joining today's MLTI Slam show. Thanks to presenter Owen Snowman, our moderator Kyle, and director Aiden. Slammers, if you have questions, would like to make comments, or share the work you created today on the show, visit www.mlti.me and contact us. Those of you in the live stream right now, stick around for our after show live discussion. And student leadership ambassadors, stay curious. We'll see you next time. The MLTI Slam Show is a program of the Maine Department of Education. For more information about this and other innovative educational initiatives, please visit www.maine.gov/DOE.